The first step in editing every paper is to go to the Review tab here and turn on Track Changes so that the authors of the paper can see exactly what changes we've made and which changes they will accept and which changes they will reject. The second step is to attach a comment to the first character of the title. And I have a standard comment that I will add here. It's very general and it just tells the author what we've done to the paper and wishes them well in their future research. Where possible, we add specific information on any style guidelines or journal author guidelines that we followed here in this first sentence. So I would add according to the journal of, or according to the author guidelines of, but I have no guidelines for this paper to follow, so I will just leave the general comment. Next, I will do a quick review of the title just to catch any glaring errors such as this ampersand. Ampersands are used only in captions and tables, places where brevity is favored rather than in the main text or in the title. Okay, so that was just a quick review. I'll go back to the title to make sure that the title fits the content of the paper after I understand the content of the paper. Here I will review the author affiliations, the names of the authors, to make sure that there's no spacing errors or formatting errors there. And next I will review their affiliations. Here we can attach the prefix post directly to doctoral because post is not a standalone prefix. I have a standard comment for that as well. Most formal writing audiences recommend that prefixes not be joined by hyphens unless the usage involves a capitalized word, an abbreviation, or a numeral. Those are the three main exceptions. Here I will remove this colloquial name of the university because that's not necessary in the affiliations, and I will provide a comment explaining why I did that. Only the formal names of institutions are conventionally listed in author affiliations. Please review this deletion. I add this final sentence here so that the author knows exactly what they need to do in response to the change. Here there seems to be a discrepancy between the postal code for Yunlin and Changhua, so I have deleted this comma here only for consistency. And this seems to be another inconsistency because there's no city or state provided here, and it's unclear what this number refers to, so I will add a comment to the author asking him or her to clarify. It is unclear what this number refers to here. Please provide the city and state for clarity and consistency with the previous affiliations. Okay, I will skip the abstract for now because the abstract is a summary of the paper, and it is much easier to edit it, and we can provide the author with a much higher quality edit if we understand the content of the paper first. So I will go right to the introduction. Here I'll replace issue with concern because concern is more specific than issue. Issue has multiple meanings. I also have a standard comment for that I will add here. It says, Issue is a vague term with multiple meanings. Please review this context-specific substitution. Okay, to improve the wording here, I will rearrange the sentence.